Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a cute little bandana for your dog. This is my model bear, he's the cutest, and it's super easy, so let's just get started. So the first thing you're going to need to do is make your design. There's plenty of Etsy SVGs that you can get for seasonal designs, but I just wanted to go simple. So I found a Halloween font on dafont.com and I just laid it out like this. I'm going to be putting it in the make it setting and we're going to mirror it because we are going to be using heat transfer vinyl, and then set it to iron on heat transfer vinyl on your Cricut and just send it to your Cricut, and the Cricut's going to cut it out perfectly for us, and then we're going to weed it. Here is it right out of the Cricut. We are completely done, ready to go. And now we're going to be picking our fabric. I have 3 different quarters from the Dollar Tree, and the first one's leaves, the second one is sunflowers, and the third one is pumpkins. These are all $1.25. In today's craft I'm going to be using the pumpkin ones, and yeah. So the first thing we're going to be doing is ironing our fabric, of course, just to get any pleats out. And then once you have that, I accidentally didn't hit record, but so I did mine already, but you're going to take the measurement of your dog's neck as the top, add about an inch or 2 for seam allowance and just for the buttons at the end, and then you're going to want to find your center and draw a line from both sides to the center, and then you're just going to go ahead and cut it out. To save ourselves the step of ironing clean lines and sewing on the good side, I'm actually just going to flip it inside out and sew on the bad side, and then we can just flip it inside out after, so that's what I'm doing here. This is a pretty straightforward sewing project. You're just going to be doing 2 straight lines, but on the second straight line, just make sure you leave a gap at the end. Go forward, backward, forward, and just leave it like that because that's what we're going to be using to fold this back inside out so we get the right side out. So here I'm just flipping the right side back out, and then we're going to sew that last little area closed, and then we are ready to do our iron on. I'm just going to iron the bandana first to make sure that it's flat and ready for the heat transfer vinyl. And then I'm going to place my heat transfer vinyl where I want it, make sure that it's centered, and then I'm just going to iron that on. I like to press down on it for a few seconds. If your iron does not have the protector, make sure that you obviously cover this with a fabric, but I just did it like this. And then when it's ready, you can just peel away the plastic part and you're ready to go. Next, I'm going to be grabbing my snap button set. This is off of Amazon, and I'm going to be picking the colors that I want, and I decided to just use the green one. And you're going to be needing 2 of the little pins and then each of the clasp sides. And it's pretty easy to use. All you do is put the pin sides through on opposite sides so that you have one on the top and one on the bottom, and then you put whatever side you want to use on that side on the end of the pin, and then you clamp it closed. It's so much easier just to watch, but yeah. once you have it clamped, that really is the finished product. You just gotta snap it together and you can put it on your dog. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was straightforward and easy to follow, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Please subscribe and like the video.